Let me quickly show you how to get a free 1-year giveaway subscription to EaseUS Data Recovery Professional from EaseUS Company themselves. Let's start with the official installation. Download and install the application from the official website at EaseUS.com. Then, install the app as you would any other application on your system by following the on-screen instructions. On the left side, you will see different data recovery modes. To obtain a free 1-year subscription to EaseUS Data Recovery Professional, follow these steps. Search for EaseUS Germany on Google. Visit the official EaseUS Germany website at easeus.de. Now, append the following text to the URL after easeus.de to access the subscription page. Click here to get your free subscription key and use it in the app. That's it! I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.